Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make a couple photo in Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with using Gemini, and from here we can get started giving it prompts. But keep in mind that you need to go ahead and log into your Google account if you have not already, because you need to log in to be able to use Gemini. And now we can get started making couple photos. So basically you can do so by uploading your individual pictures and asking the AI to merge them, or by generating a completely new couple image from a text description. So here, as you can see right here at the left side of the screen above your keyboard, you're going to have the plus button. This is going to enable you to go ahead and upload photos from your gallery or take a camera photo directly with your significant other. That's going to enable you to go ahead and create a couple photo. But you can upload distinct photos of you, and it's going to be able to merge those photos together and create unique couple photos. This is the best way you have. You can use the prompt right here to tell it what to do to go ahead and merge the images, explain what you want to do and how you want it done, and basically this is the way. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.